Creating an Ecobank virtual card is a straightforward process that allows you to make secure online transactions. Here's how to do it. Download the Ecobank mobile app. Start by downloading the Ecobank mobile app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app and log into your Ecobank account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Access card services. Once logged in, navigate to the cards section in the app. Look for options related to virtual cards. Select Create Virtual Card. Choose the option to create a new card. You may find it labeled as Virtual Card or similar. Fill in card details. Provide the required information, including your preferred spending limit, card name, and purpose. You may also need to verify your identity through a confirmation step. Confirm and activate. Review your details, then confirm your request. The app will generate your virtual card immediately. You can access your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Fund your card. To use your virtual card, fund it from your Ecobank account. Ensure sufficient balance for online transactions.